My luck is crazy. So I've been wanting a wine fridge for my kitchen for a very long time, and they're expensive, but I found one tonight for free. And as I'm texting the lady on my way to go get it, she's like, how old are you? And I'm like, I'm 43. And then she was like, okay, because I have a whole box of wine if you want it. What? So here's all the wine she gave me. Chardonnay. Oh my God. More wine. Another bottle. She said they were all gifts, and I guess she just doesn't drink. Well, I sure will drink them. More. Oh my gosh. This is insane, guys. This is insane. And last but not least is 3 Jack Daniels. Whatever. Okay, now I'm going to show you the fridge. The brand is Avanti, and I think when I Googled it, I mean, they're kind of pricey. They're expensive, but here, let me show you. Here it is. Avanti. Look how beautiful. 100% free. So yeah, I guess I'll be having a glass of wine tonight. Compliments of the lady on Facebook Marketplace. Bye.